Today we talk about how can you create new privacy zone on your Komoot app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just click here on profile down here. When you click on profile, so it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on privacy here, then you come to this list, click here on privacy zones. So then you click here on manage privacy zones here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on create new privacy zone. Just click on it. So then here, so if you allow cookies here, then you click here on save and close here. Just click on it here. So then it's going to create with you here on your or it's going to create with you here. So in here enter a name, then here enter an address here. So then here if you want to select here location here, then you click on save, then it's going to create with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.